Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's tutorial, we are going to walk you through the exact process of listing your cryptocurrency on Coinmarketcap. This is a common question in the crypto space, and today's I'm going to break it down step by steps, and you can do it successfully. If you find this video helpful, you can like the video. So, CoinMarketCap is one of the most trusted platform for tracking cryptocurrency prices and market trading, as you can see here. And uh, but to get approved, you must meet certain criteria and follow structured process. So let's discuss the first of all criteria, and after that we will discuss more. First, you before you apply, you can coins must meet these criteria listed. These are, you can say, requirements. First, your coin must leverage cryptography. It should be a legitimate cryptocurrency, not just a token concept. And the second is you need to fully function website and block explorer. And third criteria, your coin must be actively traded on at least one public exchange. The fourth criteria, you must provide an official representative from your project for communication. If this criteria ensure that only legitimate project get listed. Once you met all the criteria, you need to submit a request on MarketCap official website. Here is you can do go to the MarketCap support page and click submit a request at the top right corner, and then select a new listing. Add a crypto asset from the option. This will open the official listing application. Once you fill now you have to fill out your once you have submitted the request, you have to fill your application. Now I don't have any crypto to list on this market, but I will tell you what are the steps, what are the forms, information you have to fill. First of all, you have to fill the basic information, and you have to enter your project name, symbol, and launch date. Now, after that, you have to provide the contact details like emails or subject for your request. You have to provide that. After that, you have to declare your role, what you are in this project, like you are a CEO or you are a founder or you are a team member, what you are in this project, you have to mention that. After that section, you have to give the social link or the website link. You have to, maybe you have to add links to your website, official website, water paper, or and social media pages. Now you have to give trading details, mention the exchanges where your coins is currently listed and actively traded. And after that, you have to attach supporting documents for authenticity. Once everything is filled out, review the terms and condition. This is very crucial point, because if something goes wrong, they will reject your application and you have to fill again. So it will take if the application gets rejected, they'll if it will take more 7 to weeks days. So check, please verify before submitting your documents. After that, submitting your documents, wait for the approval. The CoinMarketCap team will review your application. This process can take several days, even weeks. So this is how you can list your cryptocurrency on the market cap. If you find this video helpful, then like this video, and thanks for watching.